guys, it's me Ria and welcome back to my channel. So last month I shared a video on different types of shampoos for different hair concerns, and a lot of you guys loved that video. So I thought let me also make another version, like part 2 of that video, where I'll be sharing more tried and tested recommendations for you guys for different hair concerns. So let's begin. So the first and most common hair issue that a lot of us face is dandruff. So anyone who's facing dandruff issues will agree that dandruff is annoying, frustrating, and honestly quite embarrassing at times. And it can get worse during the winter months, because during the winter time, the weather is dry and the scalp skin can also get more dry, making the dandruff worse. And for some of us, dandruff is a recurrent issue irrespective of the season, which was the same case with me. So in the past, I have tried a lot of different anti-dandruff shampoos. However, the issue was that the dandruff used to keep on coming back the very next day after washing, and also it used to make my hair extremely dry and frizzy. And that is why I was looking for better options. So one day while I was scrolling through Amazon, I found these two products, which are both by Wishcare. So this one right here is the Wishcare AHA BHA Anti-Dandruff Shampoo, and this one is the Wishcare Ceramide Anti-Dandruff Conditioner. So both of these products had amazing customer reviews, plus this one had AHA and BHA in it. So I really wanted to give it a try, and trust me guys, ever since I've started using this deo, it has done wonders for my hair. So now you may think that AHA BHA in this shampoo can potentially dry out your hair, right? But that's not the case, guys. Wishcare has thoughtfully curated this shampoo, and they have also included hyaluronic acid into this shampoo, and hyaluronic acid helps to make your hair soft, shiny and bouncy, and also soothe itchy scalp. And trust me, even though I use this so frequently, still it has not made my hair dry. This also contains pyroxone, olamine, ceramides and prebiotics along with hyaluronic acid, and it is a silicone and paraben free shampoo. And though this is a sulfate free anti-dandruff shampoo, it lathers really well. So now coming on to the Wishcare Ceramide Anti-Dandruff Conditioner. This conditioner contains ceramides, hyaluronic acid and avocado extract to prevent hair dryness, and it is infused with pyroxone, olamine for healthy scalp health. So ever since I've started using this deo, it has worked wonders for my hair. And let me show you the condition of my hair. So this is my hair right now, which is completely 100% dandruff free, if you guys can see, and it also has got this amazing shine and bounce to it, because this both deo does wonders to the hair. It does not weigh your hair down, it doesn't make it frizzy or dry like other anti-dandruff shampoos and conditioners. And you guys can see here, like, my hair has no dryness at all. It is extremely shiny and bouncy, and it is completely dandruff free, which is the best part. So I wash my hair the usual way. I just take a dollop of this shampoo and gently massage it on my hair and scalp. And a tip that I always follow with any shampoo is that I leave it on my scalp for at least 1 to 2 minutes so that it can get time to work before I rinse it off. Next, take 2 to 3 pumps of the Ceramide Anti-Dandruff Conditioner and apply it from the mid to the ends of your hair. Keep this conditioner also for 2 to 3 minutes to let it do its magic, and then rinse it off with water. So after using this deo, I can guarantee that all of your dandruff issues is going to vanish right after the first wash itself. So do give these a try if you're suffering from severe dandruff issues. So my next recommendation is for all you girls who are suffering with dull, lifeless looking hair. Now with all of the heat styling, regular coloring and using all the heating tools takes a toll on our hair health, and instead of making it much more healthier, it starts looking dull and frizzy, and it just basically starts losing its shine. And for that I have the perfect product for you. So L'Oreal had launched their glycolic gloss range, okay, and it comes with a shampoo, conditioner and a serum as well, and I absolutely love this conditioner. Okay, the shampoo is also good enough. Actually all of the three products work together to give you that glossy effect, but I specifically love this particular conditioner quite a lot. So it comes in this kind of a packaging, and it contains glycolic acid. So it contains 4% glycolic acid complex that helps to smoothen hair fiber for long lasting mirror like gloss, and it also has a formula that deeply replenishes and laminates for 3 times more gloss and protection. So on days when I just want that little bit extra shine, or if there's an event, there's a party that I have to attend where I'm going to leave my hair open, I love using this particular conditioner because it instantly adds such a brilliant shine to my hair. And it, you know, when you have that shine in your hair, it automatically starts looking so much more healthy. No matter what the texture of your hair is, it is not necessary that you need to have straight hair for the shine to peek through. Even girls with curly hair can have beautiful shiny hair, and this particular conditioner actually works. So just give this a try in case you have dull and lifeless looking hair. Also guys, the links to all of these 3 products are mentioned in the comment section below. So in case if you want to buy any of these products, you can just click the links in the description box and make your purchases. So that's it for today's video guys. I will see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye.